Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? So this is live price prediction of Vechain coin. What's going on? What we will need to do, my friends, to be safe from the loss. So let's start this brand video. Please, my brother, if you are new my channel, now subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. And this time, my friends, a lot of holders are doing very huge mistake to be safe from the very good picture now. But don't worry, my friends, we will do this now easily now. So my brother, absolutely after a very long time, my friends, we need but please, my friends, this time the Vechain coin, one of the unique, my friends, to get a very good profit. Otherwise no one can get up profits now. So my brother, in those days, if as you can see, my friend, this time the chart after a very huge jump, they were fails down for a short time. So therefore I will notify my friends to, if you are lost, so this is not a good, my friends. But Vechain apps is impossible to you will lost now. Thanks for watching, holder. Please, in upcoming days, this is possible to we will get a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time.